was the death of about 100 persons and displays of thousands of persons, including women and children. Also aware that flooding washed away bridges, roads, farmland, and over 150 houses resident in the affected local government area at Ringing Emirate, Kazaure Emirate, Gumal Emirate, Dutse Emirate, and Hadija Emirate of Jigawa State. Observe that the victim of disaster now take shelter in poorly organized centers like school buildings not affected by the flood. Worry that the major part of the affected local government area are still submerged with state emergency response agency not being able to handle the disaster alone. Concerned that the urgent medical and humanitarian assistance are not deployed to the affected victim, a major health challenge may result from the disaster. Accordingly resolved as follows: direct the NEMA to coordinate with the State Emergency Management Agency, especially in Jigawa State, with a view to urgently provide humanitarian assistance to affected flood ravaged area of the country. Number two, urge the relevant agency to provide timely early warning to flood-prone area with a view of forestalling the loss of lives and property. I so move, Mr. President.
Our Committee on Special Duties will have to engage with NEMA, the committee that deals with the humanitarian ministry would have to sit with NEMA. Every part of Nigeria needs some support. It's not only Jigawa State, all over. We look at, and we're going to expand the prayers here because we have to include other states. And NEMA, unfortunately, this time is going to be tasked. If there is anything we can do to enhance the capacity of NEMA, we need to do that, because this is a season that they have to provide so much for the people that are affected.